Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, this is a bit shit. What am I doing? What am I doing? Good morning from sunny Vandalia. A little town about, I don't know, about, well, I do know because I've just driven here. It's about an hour and a quarter's drive north of my house. And today we are going to try a new route. It is chilly. We're in for some weather today too. Rain is in the forecast. But as I say, trying a new route. Got to get off the beaten path. So this is a route I planned last week. I was going to do it Monday. We came all the way up here on Monday. Didn't prepare very well. Didn't have a jacket, it was cold. Forgot my water bottles. I just thought, screw this. It was windy too. Oh, screw this, I'm going home. So, on it again today. The weather's not that much better. The wind's died down, but I think we're in for some rain. So, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. All that good stuff. But we're on it today. Got to get out and about today. He was fine. Still on Highway F. Road's got a little lumpy. Out of breath, has to go down to the bottom bracket. With a small ring. Out of breath. Needs it though, I need it. Can't ride on flat farm roads, flat floodplains forever. Another person I want to thank is Denny Kaiser. Denny man. You were one of the first, but you've been with me since the beginning of this. You liked and subscribed my first video. And yeah, we gotta go out and ride sometime, dude. But thanks for being with me from the beginning. You're awesome. Alright, so Highway 19, 60 mile an hour road. I've got a shoulder, but still trucks and stuff are whizzing by. It's 60 mile an hour. That's no fun, especially when you're getting the spray off the wheels. The trouble with the shoulders as well, you're gonna get flat because that's where all the glass, debris, shards of metal, nails, what have you, broken bottles, that's where they all gather in the shoulder. So still, it's better than being dead and run over when you're riding in the road. So anyway, heading to New London now. I'll catch you when I get there. Stop for a sandwich, refill the bottles at the Magical Casey store in New London. Seems to be the major employer in town. It's either this truck stop, the Love's truck stop, or the Shell. Kind of concerned how I'm going to get over this road over 61. I mean, it's not an interstate, but it's an interstate by any other name because it's the main road, it's the main thoroughfare if you're going into Iowa from St. Louis. Like you're going up to Davenport, Iowa, or even Des Moines, you'd come up here and then cut across Ottawa, and it is busy. But I mean, it's just one of them things you're gonna have to get used to, I guess. And you know, if you want to do long distance cycling, you're gonna have to deal with these things, and it's slightly concerning, mainly because I was a truck driver for 10 years, so I know how these dickheads drive, and it's scary out here. You know, sometimes, especially on these big dual carriageways. So Anyway, I gotta give it a shot. Doing alright, I'm at 35, maybe 40k right now for the day. Flying along, you know, the raining, feet are cold. Other than that, I was flying along there. Actually quite enjoyed it on the shoulder of the main road 19. Got some decent speed in my legs. This is fun. Just had to clamber over the trench. You know, once you've been on these agricultural roads, you know, the county roads, and they're quiet, there's not a lot of traffic, and then you get to a town where there's 3 truck stops and Highway 61, just, you know, it shudders you back to life, just how fast and noisy life is. It's wild. Anyway, cross 61 alright really. Now on Highway A westbound. And this is really pretty. It's so gorgeous in the summer. Still on Highway A westbound. Stopped raining though. I don't have that pitter patter against my jacket or my helmet. And just that, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't great either. I mean, I'm still wet, but I'm not cold, I'm not hypothermic or nothing. But just the fact that it stopped raining just for a little bit. And this is a really pretty road. You know, I hear it a lot from other riders. You're gonna have downs and you're gonna have ups. And you know, if you're in a low moment, you know, you gotta ride it out because there are highs coming. And this is brilliant right now. This is beautiful. You know, I need to stop and smell the roses and enjoy it. You know, it's not a race. I'm just going for a bike ride. I'm just pedaling. It doesn't have to be difficult. You gotta enjoy it. And I'm enjoying it right now. We are in that kind of town. But this is America, man. You know, English people, like my sister, they'll say, oh, they'll go to Florida, they'll go to Disney World and go eat at Buffalo Wild Wings and then go home and say, oh, I've been to America on my holidays. And I know you haven't. You want to see Mickey Mouse. This is America. Rolls County Library. Okay, so we're crossing 19, which is what I was on before, but I am just going to cross it. 18 miles back to Vandalia, straight down this road. Centre sure does seem like it packs more than 500 people. "11 miles to State Highway P. It's like the slowest countdown in the world. It's been stuck on 11 miles for 3 miles. Anyway, this is Highway P. Then we're going to turn left on the Highway P back into Vandalia. Feet are pretty wet and cold. Most of them is alright. My arse is wet. That's my fault because I don't have mud guards on my bike. But other than that, I'm doing alright. So yeah, good route this, enjoyed this. Fairly quiet roads. There was a town after 40k, New London, where I could get some food and top up my drinks and stuff. You know, plenty of ups and downs, nothing, you know, a couple of really steep hills, but I managed them. Here's another one coming up now. I mean, it's not Alpe d'Huez, but they are pretty steep. 6 miles. When I first got on this road P, it was 18 miles. And it just seems to have taken forever to get here, which is no bad thing. I mean, it stopped raining now, my arse is sore, but I think that's because I've been riding on a wet chamois for the most of the day, which has not been fun, I gotta be honest. Either that or it's the saddle or whatever. It may be time to get on the Brooks saddle hype train and give that a shot, because my arse is sore. And I had the same problem on my saddle last year, so I changed saddle. I mean, I can't keep spending 120 bucks on new saddles until I find one that I like. It's expensive, so we'll see. But yeah, not a bad route this. It's been a good day, rain accepted. Good roads. Do this one again. Well, yeah, it's raining again. But back in sunny Vandalia where I started. Well, maybe a mile from the main street. What are we at? 85k for the day. I'll take that. It's not bad. 85 more k than what I would have done if I just sat at home on the sofa. Which, if I'd have known how much it was going to rain, I probably would have done, because I was lazy ass. But I didn't. I got off my ass. I went for a bike ride, and I feel better for it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Whew.